Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Well, today I got the Craftsman T240 ride-on lawnmower, lawn tractor, whatever you want to call it. So let's check it out. Alright, well this thing is beautiful. Well, except a little damage that happened. Maybe before they put the bumper on, maybe not. Runs just fine. The muffler is not damaged, if that's the muffler. Anyway, got your brake pedal, forward and reverse gas pedals. Got your level right here for the deck. Blade and gauge, high back seat, 12-volt battery. Maybe you could jump it with a car. I don't know. I know. Had a scooter before that I was able to jump with a car with 12 volt. You got your steering wheel, racing steering wheel, which is pretty cool. When I got it, wheels are straight. Steering wheel was almost 90. There's a bolt under here. Could use a screwdriver if you have something plastic. Use that, that's better. Less chance of damaging everything. 13mm bolt right under there. Gonna have to use one hand to hold it. Steering wheel pops right off. Splined. Make sure the wheels are straight first. Straighten that out. Find the best spline you can. Find the best groove you can to get in there. Start it off by hand. And tighten. I tighten it by holding the steering wheel. You'll probably have to also. Cup holder, cell phone holder, hold other things, you know. You have tools or something, small tools in there. You'll have to check your tire pressure, because these tires that come with it are 10-foot PSI max. They came about 25, and if you do it 25, you're going to tear up your lawn. Lift the hood's pretty easy, no lock or anything. There you go. Kohler 7000 series, 22 horsepower, 3 years limited warranty. Kohler said the engine's made in the USA of US and global materials. The tractor is made in the USA with global materials. Let's get this hood off. First we gotta disengage the headlights. Simple as that. Pull the hood back a little bit. Lift it off. Kohler 7000 series, like I said before. Open this up. Gain access to the air filter. Well, the linkage on the front of the engine. Steering linkage, oil filter, drain plug. I'm not going to open it up now because can't do it yet. Fuel filter, dipstick. I just ran it for I think 0.1 hours, just testing it out. Haven't cut yet. I'm going to do that soon. Nice 3-gallon gas tank with the cap on the outside of the hood. Some of the smaller and older lawnmowers, you gotta open the hood to fill up the gas tank or even see how much fuel you have. This one right under the hood, you see how much fuel you have right there. Controls, you have your speed right here. When you first start it up, put in choke, fast, slow. The parking brake slash cruise control switch is right there. Activate it, you press down whatever you want, the brake or the gas. You pull that lever, push that lever down, release the pedal, and release the lever. Same with the gas. Push gas down however you want it to go. Push down, release. You'll be traveling at that speed that you set. So disengage, push that, or push the brake. Now the deck is the highest it will go. Drop it down to 1. You have everything in between 1 and 4. Engage the blades. Pull that all the way, get it in the notch. Could accidentally hit it, but for safety reasons, why would it matter? Just re-engage it. I'd rather be able to accidentally disengage it than to accidentally engage it. There's 2 wheels on each side. They will touch the ground right here, so they can't get any lower than that. So it's even mowing. It comes with 1 key, but you can easily buy a spare for I think $4. Here's your neutral and drive. This is in neutral right now. You can push it, drive, actually drive the thing. This pushes in, it pulls out. Make sure you're in drive when you want to mow, or else it's not going to go anywhere. Alright, first mow done. Awesome. All I can say is, if you're going from a push mower to this, there's no comparison at all. I got this done in an extremely short amount of time. And the only sweat I had was from excitement. But anyway, thanks for watching, like, subscribe, and all that jazz.